Hello, hello. Just looking at NQ from a weekly perspective, and I first want to start by saying, how long have I been talking about that Virgin POC from January 2022, and I'm still salty that I missed that on Friday. Doggone it. Anyways, I'll have to get over that. What a nice run on Friday. But looking ahead, just a couple things to note here. We have temporary support from 690 to 685. Let's see what overnight price action does tonight. But it has held that pretty well so far with a dip below, and then we close back above that. Um, so in the short term, I'm looking, let's see if we take out Friday's low of 16664-ish. And then I'm also keeping an eye on, we've got a low volume node on the weekly at about 15630-ish, down to 622. Um, Also keeping an eye to see if price pushes back into the value area from last week, and that begins at 611. Something that I think all you guys should note on your charts is we've got some pretty darn close to some single print action here, and if we come down here to 536-ish to 507, 506-ish, we could fall pretty quickly here through this and come back into some of this bigger distribution, this higher volume distribution. We could also obviously bounce there and fill this out more too. But looking from a monthly perspective has me a little bit more concerned about potential downside. Um, we have printed a 4-hour bearish divergence. So does that mean that we're going to come straight down? Absolutely not. We could bounce around in these areas, fill out some of this distribution here, this inventory. Um, my first line of attack is going to be taking out Friday's low, seeing what reaction we have at this low volume node on the weekly, and are we going to come back into last week's value area and fill some of this out? They could absolutely spend some time in between this thin volume area, this single print area, and fill that distribution out also. But the fact that we have printed a 4-hour bearish divergence has me a little concerned that we might see some more downside. And ultimately, we've got some real single print action on the weekly from last week down in this area, 15,345-ish down to 15,3, 318, 320-ish. But I would be looking at potential downside with this 4-hour divergence, and we also, I believe, have it. Yep, we've also got it printed on the 2-hour. Although the 2-hour has played out considerably, the 4-hour has not. Again, may not be in a straight line whatsoever. We could be, basing in amongst these zones to fill out this inventory, to fill out this distribution. But these are some areas that I would mark and watch very closely and see if we come back into either the previous week's value area, or we've got monthly value area high way down here at 15,452, and where we've got a whole lot of volume down here along with the monthly and the weekly POC. So hopefully this helps. I'll share my chart with you guys so you can get these levels marked on your own charts. Have a great Sunday. Talk to you later.